Introduction and Summary. Surah Al-Qadr. It is probably Meccan, though some hold that it was revealed in Medina. The subject matter is the night of power or honor, in which revelation came down to the Prophet for the first time through angel Jibreel. Surah Al-Qadr or the night of power or honor. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Inna anjalnahu fi laylatil qadr. We have indeed revealed this message in the night of power. Wama adraka ma laylatul qadr. And what will explain to thee what the night of power is. Laylatul Qadr khairum min alf shahrin. The night of power is better than 1,000 months. Tanzil al malaikatu wa ruhu fiha bi'izni rabbihim min kulli amrin. Therein come down the angel and the spirit by Allah's permission on every errand. Salamun hiya hatta matla'il fajr. Peace, this until the rise of morn. The 23rd, 25th or 27th night of Ramzan, as well as other nights, have been suggested as the night of power. However, the introduction to this surah, it is best to take this in conjunction with verse 3 below, which says that the night of power is better than 1,000 months. It transcends time, for it is Allah's power dispelling the darkness of ignorance by His revelation in every kind of affair. 1,000 must be taken in an indefinite sense, as denoting a very long period of time. This does not refer to our ideas of time, but to timeless time. One moment of enlightenment under Allah's light is better than thousands of months or year of animal life, and such a moment converts the night of darkness into a period of spiritual glory. The spirit, usually understood to be the angel Jibreel, when the night of spiritual darkness is dissipated by the glory of Allah, a wonderful peace and sense of security arise in the soul, and this last one until this life closes and the glorious day of the new world dawns, when everything will be on a different plane, and the checkered night and days of this world will be even less than a dream. Please subscribe this channel and like and comment. Thanks audience, thanks listeners.